Mayor of Port Maria, Richard Creary, is still not satisfied despite receiving an apology yesterday from the Integrity Commission for an erroneous statement in its report on the Petrojam investigation. Mr. Creary believes the commission has not gone far enough. Anthony Lugg reports.
Apology accepted, but Mayor of Port Maria, Richard Creary, wants the Integrity Commission to go further. This despite a letter of apology on Monday from the Executive Director of the Integrity Commission, Greg Christie, on behalf of the Commission. In the letter, the Integrity Commission accepted the errors and said it was sorry for any distress, embarrassment, or inconvenience it may have caused. But speaking with TVJ News earlier today, Mr. Creary accepted the apology but said he wants the Commission to withdraw aspects of the report.
I believe some of the conclusions in that report has tarnished my reputation, and although I accept the apology, I have sought legal representation to look at the whole matter of the report.
The Commission last week said it erroneously stated in one of its reports that Mr. Creary interviewed Floyd Grinley for the post of General Manager of the Petrojam Oil Refinery. It also concluded that the strategic placement of certain individuals in key positions at Petrojam served as a corruption-enabling mechanism. But for Mr. Creary,
having had information, very simple information before them, which stated that I was absent from the interview, and to put it in a report that I was present, and to give the impression that I was present as a part of a scheme to enable corruption, is where I have a real challenge.
He's also of the view that the error has brought the report into question.
I am happy I have been vindicated so far in terms of the apology and them withdrawing certain aspects of the report. But the whole report has been brought into question, because if a simple fact like that could have been misrepresented, what else in the report is also incorrect?
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.